Hey guys, welcome back, and on today's video we're gonna see what's inside of this guy. My parents have had this for over 30 years and it's never been opened, so we're gonna cut it open today. More lovely cup. Ooh, some old artwork, huh? Empty box of pans. This guy collected crap, huh? Oh, wow. Look at all these floppy disks. What the fuck? Holster. More floppy disks. Ooh. That old Nikon camera. It's pretty cool. Thing that need a garbage bag. Belt. Shotgun shells. Man, back then, $6.59. I feel like that's expensive. Pretty expensive. More camera shit from the Nikon. we got some coinage. These are 1941. I think these are silver. Jackpot. So he's got a lot of crap, and it goes back further that way. So I'm just gonna keep digging stuff out, see what we find. Okay. Guess this guy, he worked at AT&T. This thing's a Gerber. Wow. That's really nice. Alright, so I just picked out a sample of what was in there. There was a lot of trash, old papers that were saved for no reason. But I thought what I have here was pretty interesting. Old Nikon camera. It definitely needs some cleaning up, but maybe that's something we can do on a future video. Different lens change-outs there. Here's Ronald Reagan, 40th president, pocket knife. Focus. There we go. A little rusted, but not too shabby. And as we move down the line, this dude loved his knives. I think I've ever heard of this brand, Recon Tanto. Almost like a Japanese blade. Then we move on to buck knife. Like, holy crap, this is such a sweet pocket knife. And wherever this guy worked, guess they liked him. They got him a nice Gerber. Sponsored AT&T watch. Or watch. AT&T knife. One of the coolest belt buckles I have ever seen. That thing is so badass. Let's see, this is Omega watch. It definitely needs a lot of restoration work, but I thought that was pretty cool. I don't know if you young people remember these, but he had at least, like, I want to say 50 of these frickin' things. But the old school floppy disks, there's so many of them, ridiculous. Apparently got the John Madden Football Edition ones. Then, how could you not fall in love with this? Breathless we flung us on the windy hill. laughed in the sun, and kissed the lovely grass. Rupert Brooke, The Hill, 1910. Gotta love it. Then found some coins, silver dollars, and then something really cool is Matthew Brady's Great Americans. It's I think a book of, I think, 10 significant people from the Civil War. They're very detailed. It's really cool to look at. And we got a nice bucket of shells. Most of them are corroded away, so you can't really use them, or can't fire them. But I was thinking a lot of people are doing epoxy tables and charcuterie boards using old ammunition. Figured I'd save it for that. And the creme de la creme of finds. It's the coolest thing I found there. And Mayor McCheese. Did you vote for Mayor McCheese in 1986? I sure hope you did. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you come across some safes that people are just tossing, open them up, see what you can find. You might even find something as great as this cup. So that's the end of this video. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.